Hey guys, Ryan here. Today's going to be my honest review of this gray plant-based resin here, and also unboxing today because I just received it, and when you open it up, this is how it looks like. So first, it comes in a pretty nice box here with all the information you need, and when you open it up, you can see that it comes in a 500 gram kind of little bottle here, and it is plant-based, so that is a pretty nice touch here. And there's not much more to say about it. There's all the information on the cover over here. A lot of the actually resin comes in kind of a brown little bottle here. You would just open it up and then you would just put it in your resin printer, where I could just show you right here. This is my resin printer. You would just put it right here, the amount you would need, and there's kind of a like gauge in my printer at least. You put the amount needed and then you're ready to go. There's also kind of, since it is plant-based, it is a pretty nice touch that the cover here is kind of green with sort of little plants here, so it's a pretty nice touch saying that it's plant-based. Yeah, aside from that, there's not much more to say about it, and I definitely recommend this bottle, guys. Anyways, hope this helped.